Sasa matango kumene mamumu abo yo kabero moteneri banyagitari yenene ya KTRA cha daktari Ondari kwa ngoyo mo mheshimiwa sio chano walenge mono mukoni mono ida county ya Kisii mo senata movement ya county yigawe ku mheshimiwa yino Malwa lati abanda banka mheshimiwa timanye tianda ke egente kino ndumu abange te kyara ntoro cyari bo turwa kidogo sana
mde msagini baburi sori ko mo sento abange but in general last week
yes
indona bara Kisii tutakere tobe tolerance to each other ekero ole side ye go sore side ye ekero ko maoni yabo tiga kero montarwa maoni yae ke bosibore atabuati indarensinde basiba mura batabeki babogerere abandi matanga ali abagari so daktari Ondari egento kyari unfortunate but there was a lot of mobilization nyarara okwana mogerere nyarara okwana mwanja kwane which is something kiabeire ekegenia seri no bari agusi in the last I think 3 years but mugusi oli tomanyete jina very reward yani bali bako boli kero kucha bali nandi nyengo bali ba na bako njoli abo
yes
abana inchi gotegera bali tukwa ni birengere bitu tutegera abana inchi boka bamiki judgment yabo
mheshimiwa back to my question nende ke mwabange tamara mnaja
just what say to Petangari
yes
king manyeti ke ganda tamasige west so I could not deny Gorumazi ko Petangari ngane ko banga burugu masige west and in case ni kiabange tu it is something that was quite unfortunate
mobilization mheshimiwa kwa ne ritmanyeti from where you sit indaraja wacha ba mobilize abasaba ko vera abandi
no abana siasa bagusi it has become a trend na kara tutageti monta letakwane or mobilize. I saw it in the last campaigns where Babo Ongeri, Babu Chuba. And I remember Mugabe Ongeri na one word they are very bitter. And I believe that is the trend they are getting. You see, they can only campaign about but once to a correct campaign, Teatosikane, Keromutaro opinion yae, Awongorama Vincent, Awongorama, Mheshimiwa Mbande, was. Taringa, Karanaida Nadian Bandare, Side, Side, I want to get any Mbande, Morea, I was always it is not something that the Korakanasi the two are divergence of opinion, and that's how our democracy grows.
Thank you so much. We'll get back to you. Korendo Mheshimiwa Vincent Taracha so Tarasa so Mheshimiwa Siocha, Mheshimiwa Wasete Galia Masemno Mon